Hey guys, AJ1 here, and I just came back from a really cool softball game, and I got a fidget spinner. It's a really cool red one, and I have 5 other ones, and so I'm going to show you guys how to do a trick real quick. Okay, so what you want to do is spin it and try and balance it on your finger. And then you go, look. I just hit my camera. So close. Okay, so you launch it up and then hit it right here. Right here. On the finger pad. Like, you launch it, hit it, and try and catch it like that while it's still spinning. So you gotta go so close. You ready? Boom, boom. Oh, so close. Ready? Boom, boom. Or you can go. Oh, my finger. You can go like. That. You can go like. You can switch fingers like this. Or you can even like just mess around with it like that. But a trick that I like to do is doing the trick I just showed you, which is spinning it and then going boom, and then going boom, boom. No, you spin it, you launch it, and then you go boom, and then you catch it while still spinning. Like, ouch. Like this. Boom. But still have it spinning. So that's about it. I'll do a bunch of tutorials on how to do fidget spinner tricks. Like have it balanced on like right here of your finger. Like this. And then like that. Like that, and then like that. See? Boom, and then onto your tip. And so, yeah, I'm gonna do a bunch of tutorials with different fidget spinners. I have a golden one, black one, yellow one, red, no, not yellow. I have gold, black, white, red, blue, and green. Comment down below what one I should do next for a part 2 of this series of, or like these episodes of how to do tricks with fidget spinners. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, see you next time. Whoop!